Accounting process redesign. Simple. Let's assume you are running a larger scale organization in various branches, various factories. You will not use computers. You will use only manual maintenance of records, debtors ledger, creditors ledger, bank statements. Okay, preparing journal entry, passing a journal entry, posting in the ledger. Everything you will do manual. Imagine what will happen. Number one, you require too much of labor. You want to take for example, information sent to the top management. You have to write the report manually and send. Okay, and it will take a lot of time for you to calculate. Arithmetical errors will come while writing. 1,000, you may write like 10,000, or 10,000, you may take it like 100. So errors will come in typing. Errors will come in writing. Some customers would have paid the check, but check would not have been cleared. Reconciliation will take time. Counting the inventory and checking the inventory will take a lot of time. Okay, reporting will take a lot of time. If accounts ends on 31st March, you will be able to give the report to the shareholders maybe 3 or 4 months later. So going for redesign of accounting process, we call it as accounts process redesign. Clear? So simple improvements. At the lowest possible cost, we want to do the best financial reporting. We want to do which one? The best financial reporting. How to do that? How to do that? This is what. Where your accounting process has to be improved. Is it like billing process? Is it like inventory management process? Is it like reconciling, book entry with bank reconciliation? Customer paid the money by check. Is it collected or not? Reconcile. Okay, on a day-to-day basis, don't wait till the end of the month. Clear? So reconciliation process, approval process, recording process, integrating accounts with inventory. Accordingly, you pass journal entry for sales. Whether inventory gets adjusted, checking physical verification with which one? Virtual records. Inventory in the godown, 500 units. Inventory as per record, 4,500 units. Why there is a difference? Reconciling it. Everything matters a lot. Clear? So ensure that you are checking the accounting process, where we are weak, where we are strong, where we are following correct accounting policy, where we are following wrong accounting policy, where it takes a long time. Is it in the journal, or is it in the ledger? Is it in the reconciliation? Is it in cash counting or check counting? Where it takes a long time, you just go through a process walk through. That is what. Analyze the time required. Wait time between giving the sales entry to recording. Clear? If there is a missing information about inventory or records, how to locate that? Then the reports that are needed, report that are not needed, you just classify. Then sometimes we are waiting to record because of information not available. Ensure that you are reducing the, work queues. Informal communication path also should be used so that in future that may become which one? A formal process. Ensure that the controls like accounting controls, journal controls, reconciliation controls are in place. See the histogram of errors. What errors have been reported? How to rectify those errors? Ensure that you are doing that. Then every step, every piece of paper, every input should be challenged. For example, we create voucher, we create bills, we pass journal, thereafter we post in ledger. Is it required or not? What value it gets added? Clear? Is it necessary to keep physical piece of paper, or we can scan and keep it? Well, whether the same work has been done by 2 or 3 people, whether same input is being keyed in more than once. For example, when you buy inventory, you should not record purchase separately, quantity separately. 2 or 3 times you should not keep recording. Okay. The accuracy of input and what? Output. Clear? The input about sales, purchases, expenses, and incomes. Okay, if you record it, whether the proper output is created or not. Revenue should not be recorded as a liability. Asset should not be recorded as expense like that. So that is what is most important. Okay, is there a duplication of effort, which means same work done by 2 or 3 people? What are the transactions done which are not creating any value? Whether output created is not used at all. For example, activity based output is done, or cost center based output is done, reconciliation is done, bin card, storage ledger, etc. and all you maintain. Whether those outputs are being used by the management or not, you create. Clear? So simple. Identify the root cause of errors. Number one, if the same input is keyed by the people various times, for example, purchase entry I pass. Okay, our cost accounting team also passes. Another accounting process team also passes like that. Okay, what are the errors which are regularly made? Which are the errors which are regularly made? Is it entering the numbers, entering the values, or data capturing? What is the error that is being done? Okay, what software you're using? What software you're using? What is the process design? How from journal to ledger to trial balance to P&L account and balance sheet, how the transaction flows, all those things. Clear? Risk and benefit evaluation. Every process will have a risk. What is the risk and benefit evaluation you do? Redesign the whole system. Redesign the whole system in such a way where, for example, if you take Reliance Industry, when they sell a pin, when they sell a small pin, it is automatically recorded as sales. It is automatically passes journal entry. It is automatically going to the main company's record. Cash flow is updated. P&L account balance sheet is updated. Small branch to the centralized entity, it goes. They redesigned the software in such a way that inventory is integrated with accounts. Accounts is integrated with the central organization where in every branch daily sales is getting updated daily by the software. Okay, in the central organization like that. For that, training should be given to the staff members how the system will work. Clear? Okay, when the goods comes in, what kind of entry they have to do? When the goods moves out, what kind of entry they have to do, kind of a thing. Then skill enhancement training should be done at this. In the shorter possible time, the person should be able to, process a lot of information. Okay, then training may be needed. Okay, how the system can be advantageously used. Nowadays, they don't enter manually. Scan the system, data is captured, it is entered. Just scan the system, data is entered and captured. Earlier, billing, how they used to do? Type the product name, see the rate and all. Now barcode is fixed for every product. Just scan it, it's uploaded, kind of a thing. Same way, certain recovery processes, approval processes, no need of manual entry at all, scanning and doing. Clear? Reducing the accounting close cycle. For example, when accounts are closed on 31st March, we cannot prepare final accounts on 1st April. Within one day, we cannot prepare because number one, stock we need to verify, debtors we have to verify, bank reconciliation we have to do, rectification of errors we have to do. Okay, certain things may not be accounted that you have to do. Okay, certain stocks would have been sold. It is not taken delivery by the customer. Whether you take it as a stock with us or stock with customers like that. And some customers would have sold the goods. Approval is pending like that. There may be, accounts are closed on 31st March. But P&L account and balance sheet can be prepared only after 3 or 4 months. Reduce that. Clear? Accuracy of the data. Perpetual inventory record means timely updating the record. Timely recording the accruals. Clear? Consolidation and eliminate the duplicate entries. Standardized chart for accounts. Okay. Standardized chart means the standardized process will be involved. Then primary set of accounts, errors, etc. and all you try to remove. Bank reconciliation should be done daily, not monthly. Okay. Valuation of accounts, obsolete inventory and all should be reviewed regularly. Then recurring invoices are sent on a regular schedule. Okay, it can be printed in advance. Where filling can be done immediately. If expenses are incurred on employee hourly worked, etc. and all, review of time should be done quickly before making the payment. Interest expense usually recorded for a period at the end of each month. Then Unpaid charges, etc. and all should be recognized immediately. Depreciation is calculated before the end of the accounting period. Don't wait for 31st December, 31st March and calculate depreciation. 3 or 4 days before you can close. Then speed up payables by closing the purchase orders early. Don't do purchases on 31st December, etc. Close the purchase order early so that you can make the payment on time. So when you work out, when you work everything, okay, then the accounting process can be completed quickly and information can be going to the stakeholders on time. Clear? For example, you are having, let us take the same example which I used for the biryani shops. Clear? You are having 20 shops. Whenever sale is made in every branch, it is getting consolidated. It is getting consolidated with the main server. Branch 1 sales, it comes to the main sales. Branch 2, branch 5, branch sales. Whenever there is a purchase or sale, whenever there is a billing done, immediately it gets which one? It gets into the centralized accounting servers, where on 35, by end of each day, you will be able to work out what is the expense for the day, what is the income for the day, what is accrual for the day, what is payable for the day, what is inventory for the day. Everything you will be able to take it up very quickly. Okay, so for which you can use cloud-based services, where data is not stored in the server, the system, it is stored in the centralized server, where you can access the data whenever it is required, kind of a thing. ERP systems we had seen, enterprise resource planning system, where for example, if you look at let us take Infosys Limited, they render services all over the world. How do they do billing? Through the cloud computing. How do they do accounting? Through the cloud computing. How do they pay employees and store the data? Through the cloud computing. Where the accounting records are being kept? Through the cloud computing. Where bills, vouchers, etc. is being kept? Through the cloud computing. That will be easy for retrieving the data, security of the data, and of course security backup, etc. and all can be created. Where the aim of accounting process redesign is eliminate unnecessary time, eliminate duplication of work, timely reporting. Timely reporting means reporting on time, reduce the cost of processing the transactions, and reduce or quickly report the financial information to the stakeholders. Then reconciliation should not be done delayed. Reconciliation should be done as and when it arises. And you should not do like process 1, again duplicate process 2, again duplicate process 3, like that. Eliminate duplication of work. Eliminate which one? Duplication of work. Accurate information with no errors, 0 errors should be provided. Data should be kept safe. If you are running branches and 20-30 branches, ensure that the branch information is integrated through a centralized accounting process using a cloud computing or cloud method, etc. It will increase higher efficiency in reporting, faster reporting with lesser errors. Finally, it results in which one? The quality reporting to the stakeholders, kind of. Okay. So with this section D is over. So I request you to go through whatever we have done, especially the POTAS model. Okay, competitive advantages, inbound logistic process, outbound logistic, then marketing and sales and services. It is most important. Support activities also, like R&D. Okay, human resource management, various things. That model is most important for essay type questions. Then quality, cost of quality, account process redesign. I request you to go through. All these are theoretical areas which can be tested in multiple choice question as well as in what? Essay type questions.